This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Mercado-Emory. Bayfront Building. The unit has an inviting and open floor plan with bay views from all balconies. Modern gallery-style upgraded kitchen with relatively new Samsung appliances, 2018 to 2022, stainless steel double sink and appliances. All bathrooms have been remodeled with modern and attractive fixtures. The master bedroom has 2 closets, 2 vanities and 2 nice balconies. Wood flooring throughout the unit, wine refrigerator. The unit has 2 assigned parking spaces, 1 covered and 1 open. Plus, complimentary guest parking. New washer and dryer, 2022. Boat slips may be available to buy from individual dock owners. Building amenities include bayfront pool with adjacent barbecue deck, gym, social room, sauna and private marina, tennis court, spa, security entrance and lobby. For more information, review the details below or contact Mildred Mercado-Emory at 305-785-3262.